Welcome to online classes, students. So today we are going to start a new chapter with the empowerment of some category, right? A woman. So today we are going to learn about the woman empowerment. The chapter name Women's Achievers, right? So woman empowerment is a keyword of the current times, right? To show the development in a woman. So, in fact, women are creating a benchmark in all possible professional fields. We can see there are physicians in cricket, in everything, in police, in army. You can see everywhere is a woman, right? So, they are in professional fields, including sports. So, today we are going to identify those famous women personality, right? So let's start with the chapter 10. You can see Anandi Bai Gopal Rao Joshi. So she is the first woman physician of India, and Anandi Bai Gopal Rao Joshi was the first Indian woman traveled to United States of America. You can imagine she belongs to 70s and 80s, right? And she became a doctor and traveled to United States of America on that time. That is very important, right? So let's take a second. Kiran Bedi, the first woman IPS officer of India. Third, Bechendri Pal, the first Indian woman who climbed Mount Everest in 1984. She climbed Mount Everest in 1984. Mithali Raj, you all know very well her name because she is the one of famous face or prominent face in the women cricket. So the first Indian woman cricketer to score a double hundred in Test cricket, and she also make another also. You can search for her on Google, and you will come to know that how she come to this stage. Mithali Raj, Mother Teresa, the first Indian woman who won the Nobel Prize in Peace category in 1979. Right? She is the face of humanity. Really, she lives only for for the brotherhood, for the humanity. She served the humanity till death, and that's why she recognized as the Mother Teresa, mother. So she won the Nobel Prize in the Peace category in 1979. Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India. She is the only one who became the female or woman Prime Minister of India. Now come to next, Pratibha Patil, the first woman President of India. And yes, Surekha Yadav, India got its first woman train driver in 1988. That is Surekha Yadav. So in this chapter what we will learn? We'll learn that girls or women are not, so we can say there is equality between a man and woman. So that's why the word is using there, the woman empowerment, the woman achievers. This is time of equality, and we have to think like a equal persons, right? So in this chapter we learn about the famous faces of women achievers. That's all for today. Thank you, students.